everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be going over subtracting tens. Before we get into the lesson, let's go ahead and review what subtract means. Subtract is to take part away from the whole. So I have a whole and I separate it into part. For example, here I have 10 minus 3 equals 7. I have 10 as a whole and I separate it into 3 and 7. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our first example. I have 40 minus 30 equals what? Well, 40 is the same thing as 4 tens, and 30 is the same thing as 3 tens. So I have 4 tens minus 3 tens. Let's go ahead and place up our 4 tens and we will take away 3 tens. Ready? 1 10. 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. Take away 3 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. How many tens do I have left? 1. I have 1 10 left. So 4 tens minus 3 tens equals 1 10. So that's 1 10. So if 4 tenths is the same thing as 40, 3 tenths is the same thing as 30, what is 1 10? 1 10 is just 10. Very good. So 40 minus 30 equals 10. Very good. Example number 2. 6 tenths minus 2 tenths equals how many tens? Well, let's go ahead and hold up 6 tens. Ready? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. We will take away 2 tens. Ready? 1, 2. How many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 tenths minus 2 tenths equals 4 tenths. Very good. So if 6 tenths minus 2 tenths equals 4 tenths, that means 60 minus 20 equals 40. 4 tenths equals 40. Watch. 10, 20, 30, 40. Very good. Example 3. I have 9 tenths minus 4 tenths. Ready? Let's go ahead and hold up 9 tenths and take away 4. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths, and 9 tenths. Let's take away 4 tenths. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths. How many tenths do I have left? I have 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. 9 tenths minus 4 tenths equals 5 tenths. Now let's not forget, 9 tenths is the same thing as 90, 4 tenths is the same thing as 40, and 5 tenths is the same thing as 50. 5 tenths equals 50. Watch. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 90 minus 40 equals 50. Very good. So we may also see some examples where the problem is written vertically. That means up and down. We will still solve these the same way. 8 tenths minus 5 tenths. Let's go ahead and display 8 tenths and take away 5 of them. Ready? 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths. Now let's take away 5. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. How many tenths do I have left? I have 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths. 8 tenths minus 5 tenths equals 3 tenths. Very good. So, if 8 tenths is 80, 5 tenths is 50, what is 3 tenths? 3 tenths is 30. All I'm doing is putting the 3 in the tenths place. So 80 minus 50 equals 30. Okay, time to take this practice to the real world through a word problem. Let's go ahead and read this word problem. Kate collected 50 shells. Mary collected 40 shells. How many more shells did Kate collect than Mary? Let's go ahead and start by circling what we already know. We know that Kate collected how many shells? 50. How many did Mary collect? 40. Let's underline what we want to know. We want to know how many more shells did Kate collect than Mary? We want to know how many more. That means we are going to subtract. We have 50 minus 40. So I have 50 shells in my hand. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are Kate's 50 shells. I will take away 40 to see how many more Kate has than Mary. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. How many more does Kate have than Mary? 10. Kate has 10 more shells than Mary. 10 shells. Very good. Alright guys, that ends today's lesson on subtracting tenths. I hope that you enjoyed this video and working with the 10 rods. Don't forget to check out my channel. I have posted a giveaway video that you don't want to miss. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!